Is your heart beating now? Do you know what happens inside during one complete heartbeat? Let's make cardiac cycle the easiest topic today. Cardiac cycle has three main steps. First, it is the atrial systole, and second, it is the ventricular systole, and third, it is the joint diastole. How do we remember this correct sequence? Always remember, atrial systole, it is always the filling stage, and ventricular systole is always the pumping stage. And last one, it is the joint diastole, that is always the relaxing stage where both atria and ventricles are relaxing. Here comes the atrial systole. The term atrial means atria and systole meaning contraction. So what is happening here? Atria is contracting. So we remember it is a filling stage. So what is filling here? The blood. So what happens here is atria gets contracted and the blood is filled into the ventricles through atrioventricular valve. So atrioventricular valves are open here, but semilunar valves are closed here. So you have to remember one more thing. During atrial systole, no heartbeat sound is produced. Okay? Then comes the second stage, that is ventricular systole. The term ventricular means ventricles and systole here means contraction. So what is happening here? Ventricles are ready to contract. Now where is the blood now? Yes, it is in the ventricles. There is a problem now. There is a chance for this blood to return to atria. So what should be done to prevent it? Yes, immediately AV valves gets closed. Once it closes, it gives you the sound lub, which is the first sound of your heartbeat. Now, the blood in the ventricles are ready to flow, and it flows to your lungs and all parts of your body through pulmonary artery and aorta. But there can be a chance for this blood to come back to ventricles. So to prevent this returning of blood into ventricles, the semilunar valves immediately closes. And while it closes, it gives you the second sound of your heartbeat, that is dub. So tell me, in which phase of cardiac cycle the first sound of heartbeat, that is lub, is heard? So what did we hear now? We heard lub and we heard dub. What is that? Lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. That's your heartbeat. So the first two phases are over. Now comes the third phase, joint diastole. So as we said, ventricle starts relaxing. At this moment, atria will also relaxes for a short period of time. So here what happens is both ventricles and atria relaxes for a very short period of time, that is 0.4 seconds. And this stage is known as the joint diastole. So tell me now, which sound of heartbeat comes first? Is it lub or dub? Comment below.